Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I uploaded. My sincerest apologies, but I'm back. I'm better, I'm ready. Today's video is on this eye makeup look I have right here using the Ring the Alarm palette from the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. So if you want to see how I'm just like swinging this around like what. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep watching. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Where is it? Rush. I'm gonna start that on my crease area, and I'm using the Morphe. Oh, I forgot to turn off my fan. Hold on. Okay, that's better. I am using the Morphe R37 brush. I'm gonna go right in with Rush. All right. Okay, so that shade is all over my lid. Now I'm going to go in with, literally making this up as I go. I'm gonna do Mugshot right here. And this one I'm going to pack on to, oh, this brush has purple eyeshadow on it. So no, I need to clean that. Anyway, going in with Mugshot with a Morphe M573. And I'm gonna pack this on the outer corner of my eye. And blend it out. All right, Mugshot is on the outer corner. I'm gonna go in with this really pretty purple shade. This is Framed. And I'm going to put this on the lower lash line and then gradually kind of go up. Purples can always be a little scary because I don't know about you, but a lot of the purples that I have tried are really like chalky and really hard to blend. And I will say that this one is super easy to blend and really beautiful. I also used the purples in the Bling Boss palette on a bride the other day. She wanted purple tones on her eyes, and when she told me that, I was like, purple? But she looked stunning and the eyeshadows were so easy to blend. So I know there's been controversy with these palettes when they first launched, but I've been so far really impressed with them. And I'm not trying to kiss Jaclyn's booty, I'm being serious. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this big fluffy brush that has no product on it and just blend everything out to make sure there's no harsh lines. Now I'm just gonna take some translucent powder on my beauty blender, and I'm just going to clean up the outer corner of my eye just to give it more of that clean, sharp look. Now I'm going to go in with a shimmer for the inner corner and center of my eye, and I'm going to go in with Boom, the shade right here. I'm shook. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with Framed, that purple shade, and just add a little bit more, make it a little more intense on the eye. Okay, now I'm gonna take this really small definer brush for my lower lash line. I'm gonna take Framed, I'm gonna smoke that out on my lower lash line. All right, then I'm gonna blend it out even more by using a little bit bigger of a definer brush. And I'm gonna take Mugshot, which was one of those first shades we used right here. Okay, now to lashes. I'm gonna be using the Ardell Wispy Lashes. Okay, and then to finish this off, I'm going to go in with this Ulta Beauty lip gloss, and this is in the shade Sweet Tea. Now I'm going to add a little bit more highlight, and this is the Morphe highlight in the shade Extra, and I'm just gonna on my cheeks. Also gonna take a little bit of this and highlight my brow bone. Alright guys, that's it. That completes this eyeshadow look using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Bring the Alarm palette. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.